No, he has it. Oh, everyone leaving now when we cough. You cannot catch it through the screen, you know? This is funny. Suddenly, everybody leave. You see this? You see this? We cleared the room digitally. Effie, uh, I already give it to him, so no problem. So, yes, Jody Bloomstein, thank you so much. I'm loving you so much, Jody. Jody, Los Angeles, yoga teacher. Hope you are doing the online yoga now. I hope is making big donation for you, and hello to your daughter and your sweet man and the entire